At the heart of a great infrastructure is one magical point: technology. At the core of a perfect technology is excellence. WR Solution is the epitome of excellence in the field of waterproofing and repairs in civil engineering domain. WR Solutions is an Indian origin company involved in structural and non-structural building repairs, watertight construction and specialized construction solutions, dam and tunnel repairs, high-performance protective coatings, interiors, renovation, industrial flooring, expansion joints and joint sealing. With our team of skilled experts at all levels, we can execute projects of any complexity and magnitude. Where WR is involved in the project, high performance and timely execution are assured. In this excellence-driven world, WR Solutions aims to be your first choice for all waterproofing and repair works in all civil engineering structures. For further information, contact us at 8800 496871.